The topic of debate competition is veg food versus non-veg food. So we have two groups here. That is non-veg. They are speak in favor of non-veg food, and the another group is will speak in favor of veg food. So shall we start? So who will speak first?
My name is Mayuri Vittalrao Kale and I am speak on the favor of non-veg food. Non-veg are basically animal product. They are highly in protein, like they having zinc and omega 3. So this is I believe in non-veg food. So that's.
Good evening, everyone. I am Vishakha Rajesh Laute, and I am going to speak in favor of vegetarian food. Vegetables, fruits, grains, and pulses are full of vitamins, minerals, fibers that keep us healthy and active.
Non-veg food can also provide the vitamins that she say earlier. You say that the vegetarian food provide all the nutrients or good health. That is a veg food for the good health. And but non-veg food can provide also the good health. Like you see that in the southwest people can eat only fish, and fish can provide your eyes the vitamins or minerals that your eyes needs, or they provide the pulp of the eye clean, or provide the all nutrients that can we see through our eyes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sneha Kishore Tarde. Today I speak to favor of vegetarian food. Many doctors says that a healthy veg food is a healthy food, like disease, heart problems, like fit our body. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Satish, and non-veg in healthy food and muscle growth with bone maintain, blood maintain, with heavy food by stamina and other nutrition, protein, non-veg food.
So Vibha ma'am will say something.
Hello everyone. I am saying in favor of non-veg food. Non-veg is highly enriched with protein, and it is very necessary to our body. Veg is also veg food also protein is available, but non-veg is highly protein source. In non-veg, highly protein sources are available. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rutuja Evle. I am going to speak in favor non-vegetable food. Vegetable in food in very benefit in your health. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am in the favor of non-vegetarian food, and non-veg that like meat, fishes is very beneficial for our body, that helps to provide us muscles, strong muscles. Our bones are strong with the help of the meat or fishes. non-vegetarian food. Vegetarian food is also nice, but non-vegetarian food is very highly availability of availability of muscle contractions and vitamins, etc. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ishwari Rajesh Gupte. I would like to speak in favor of vegetarian food. Vegetables, grains, and pulses are full of vitamin, fiber, and mineral, etc. Many doctors says veg food avoid the diseases like heart problem. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anushri Javne. Vegetable food. Veg food is also our veg food is a fulfill of protein. Veg food gains a weight of our body. कोणाला बोलायचं आहे अजून? Who wants to say something? As we know, from our ancient period, the people or the human being can eat non-veg food, that is meat, like that in that era was popular, so they can eat the meals or non-veg food. So you know that in the ancient era, that is veg food they can eat, or what food they can eat.
Vegetable food in very benefit, and vegetable food calcium, vitamin, which very benefit for your health. It. Thank you.
Non-veg food are also build the muscle and red blood cell in our body. They help us fit and find body.
So the conclusion is that whether it is a veg food or non-veg food, both are healthier, both are equally healthier, equally digestive, like equally beneficial for our health. So stop here.